Okay, hello everyone, Randy here. We're doing some more modding here again tonight. Looking at the John Deere 6000 sprayer here tonight. I'm not sure how long this is going to take here. For those who remember way back, that's going on several weeks here ago now. Everyone, we kind of looked at this sprayer here a little bit. I didn't do nothing with it at the time, because, I mean, it kind of sort of works. So I decided tonight we're going to see if we can make this a little bit better here. Just looking through at what we all have in the XML here. So far, I've not touched any sprayers yet. Most of my modding's been to tractors, and we did do the baler there. So, yes, this should be interesting. So, just to recap here, okay, it's got some wearable and wash in it. That's cool. Your short sprayer capacity. Okay. Anyway, if you remember the problem with this mod here, and actually, let me go back here. The original mod, when you go look at it here, I believe as Nolan termed it here, it has an upside down i3D file in it. Meaning that the i3D file for this mod is humongous, whereas the shapes file is, it's also big. Normally, just for reference here, let's go look at a regular mod. Well, actually, let's look at this one. That'll be a good example. Here's what it should look like, everyone. There's the i3D file. Notice it's 113 kilobytes. And the shapes file is 57 megabytes, or 57,000 kilobytes, depending on how you want to look at it. Whereas the original one here, 131 megabytes on the i3D, and then, of course, 57 on the shapes file as well. So, by the way, I was going to try to open this up and look at it myself here, everyone. Nolan here several weeks ago, he asked about the sprayer. I sent it over to him. He looked at it, and according to him, it has a repeating character in the, I think it was in the i3D file. He removed it and sent it back to me. I was going to see if I can fix it myself on stream, everyone, just to show you folks, but I'm unable to open that file. So I don't know what kind of trickery Nolan had there to open that file. I've literally had Notepad sitting here for like the last 15 minutes trying to open this file. It's not open. And Notepad++, by the way, crashes. It's just like, nope, I'm done. I quit. So I can't even open it with Notepad++. So trying to open it with Notepad, that's what Nolan said worked for him. I don't know. I can't even open it. So we might not be able to show you folks what was wrong with it. 113 megabytes. Or 131 megabytes. 131 megabytes. I didn't think it would either. Apparently, according to Nolan, I thought that's what he said. He used Notepad, I thought, but yeah, Notepad++ definitely won't. Notepad's just crashes right away. Right. Hey, Nolan's here. Okay, yeah, okay, cool. Evening, Jeffrey. Evening, Brady. Hello, Legendary. Welcome to stream. I don't know, Nolan. That's actually a good question. I actually had Task Manager open here. I was just kind of curious. It's up to... yeah, see, there goes Notepad++, everyone. It tries for a moment. It's like, application has requested the runtime to terminate it in an unusual way. Good error message there. But yeah, Notepad++ is, or Notepad, I'm sorry, regular Notepad is not responding. It's got 131 or 130 megs of memory in use. It's like there's no shortage of memory here. I'm not running out of RAM, so I don't know. Like I said, it's been like 15 minutes now when it hasn't opened. So, like I said, I do have the fixed version sent from Nolan, so I'm probably just going to look at that one instead because I don't want to spend the entire stream here just looking at this not responding. That doesn't say it. That doesn't look like fun. Evening, Colin. Welcome to stream. Legendary Tater, your wife says hi. Well, they're Legendary. Tell your wife hi, and tell her that cake, or not cake, that apple pie. That was apple pie, wasn't it? Because apple pie yesterday. That looked good. Very good. Nolan, sorry, I don't know what to tell you. Came right up for you. Well, okay. Well, at least it worked for you there, Nolan, because, like I said, I was just going to show everyone what was in here, but I haven't even seen myself, so I was kind of curious. But I don't think there's any sense looking at this, everyone, when it doesn't look... I mean, it is using CPU yet, so it's not like it's completely dead, I guess, but I don't know. Kill it. And just close the program, I guess. Nah, don't bother restarting. Yeah, we could try it one more time just for the fun of it here. Open with... I don't think I have any other note type programs, so... Yeah, there it is. Yep, right up to 130 megs right away. Huh. I don't know. I guess I just won't open it. Nolan, A repeating for 118 megabytes of the file size. That's a lot of A's there, Nolan. Yeah, so for those curious, apparently that was what's in there. Unfortunately, like I said, I can't open it. Oh well. We'll just go with the one Nolan sent here then. Let's just close the program then. And let's see if we can make this file size even smaller yet. So I am just going to get rid of that one then. And yeah, like I said, we'll work with the one Nolan sent here. Because just from what I've seen, everyone looks like there's still a lot of extra stuff in here yet. I'm thinking that we can probably reduce this down a little more yet. What are we looking at disk-wise here? Properties. We are still looking at size 259 megabytes. Size on disk 144. Okay. That is still huge. Huge. And as I've said before, everyone, when the Farming Simulator 19 mods, I have noticed a mod that is properly done does not take up that much file size. Even like the really nice like 9RXs and stuff like that. And they're a little bit bigger file size-wise, but they're still not anywhere near the size of this. And this is just like a simple little sprayer, so... Legendary, can you try to do one thing to the sprayer? I can try there, Legendary. No promises. Jeffrey, it's not... Well, yeah, Jeffrey, I've got Nolan's version. This one I can open, so... This one's good. Like I said, Nolan was somehow able to... well, he was able to open the file, so that helps. Nolan, i3D file is XML, shape file is binary. Okay. I don't think I've ever tried to open a shape file. What's it look like? Actually, if it's binary, it's gonna be gibberish. Yeah. Cool stuff. Let's not look at that. Legend, the one you ran for years had Argo or Agro tires on the front of it. I'm not sure what tires are on this mod here. Let's pop it open and take a look. Oh, it's going to open on that screen. Okay, let me pull this over onto the other screen here. There we go. I mean, overall, I have to say, whoever the mod author was did a pretty decent job on it. It's not terrible, not compared to some mods. So let me just throw a light in here. There we go, much better. Like I said, with the modding I've been doing lately, I like to just throw a light in. It just, you can see a lot better. So again, if I leave the light there, everyone, it's going to throw an error message in the log. That's fine. We'll delete it out when we're done. Or I could move it somewhere else too and, do that. But we'll just... this way I know it's here. Yeah, boy. Siren's going past. I didn't do it. They're not going to find me. Wasn't me. Quick, hide. I don't know if the microphone picks up the sirens there or not, everyone, but someone just went past. Sirens blazing. Anyway, let's see what's here. I think the mod author's using all textures on here. We could probably drastically reduce the file size here if we get rid of a lot of these textures. Oh, wow, it's going to be all cubes, so that's going to be interesting. Oh, he's got colors. Cool. Hood test. New folder hood test. Okay. I'm just wondering where the file size on this is coming from here, because this doesn't look too bad. Oh, wait. I got an idea, everyone. Got an idea. I don't look that bad from here, but oh my goodness, yep, found it. Just guessing, everyone. That is probably contributing to the file size right there. Wow. Oh my. My, oh my, oh my. No normal map, no emissive map. Okay. I wonder. Oh, he's got it set to color mask. Okay, this is a somewhat properly done mod then. Up to Farming Simulator 19 standards from what I'm seeing here, everyone. Yes, Nolan. Yes. If you, I found that out with the was it the John Deere 20 and 30 series. I thought it was actually kind of cool. I put a light in that mod as well, and then when you drive around, you had like this light halo around the mod at all times. It's like, oh, that's kind of cool. John Deere. JHN Drexen. You like the stretched look? Stretched look. What do you mean by stretched look? Jeffrey, how long are you streaming? You want to check out that Batco during the stream? You want to, what's wrong with the Batco? I haven't used it yet, so I don't know. I mean, oh, the hitch. Oh. I don't know, I can't, okay, yeah, it doesn't matter, though. See, no, yes, Halo on John Deere makes sense to me, right? Let's see, I wonder if we can export this out and, reduce the file size on that a little bit. I'm betting probably not, just the way it's made. Wonder if there's anything else in this mod that's suspicious. We might not be doing a whole lot to this, everyone. This might just be we'll use it the way it is. Yeah, that's probably not helping right there. Wonder why that deck is like that. Does that actually have? It's got holes in it. Okay, I see. Tank in the back. And most of it actually looks pretty good here, everyone. Most of it looks pretty good. Hoses definitely have a lot to them. Legendary, there should be a pump on that platform. Oh, okay. Well, if it's not there, I can't necessarily do anything about it. Well, actually, you know what? I've never seen a John Deere 6000 in real life. Just let me John Deere 6000 sprayer. Let's see what one looks like. That one's got a tank there. There's one without a cab. Okay. Let's see. There's a kind of a picture of one. That one doesn't have anything there. That one also has is that a hitch out the front of it? Or is that a hitch? Maybe that's a hitch from something. It's got a flat tire too. Oh boy, flat tire on that one. Interesting. Yeah, definitely looks old. Definitely looks old. Interesting. Okay. Jeffrey, it's not easy to put the belt up to the bin if it doesn't keep the tractor on the ground. Oh, okay. Okay, I suppose that makes sense there, Jeffrey. Yep. Nolan, railing and piping. Oh, is the railing bad too? Yeah, okay. That's yeah. Not the greatest. Like I said, let's maybe just try exporting one of these components here. See once if Blender will reduce this down slightly. Just curious. Maybe we won't be able to do nothing. Maybe we can. And let's go to the 6000. Yeah, side panel. Oh, wait. Gotta export as an OBJ. I always forget that. I gotta switch that to OBJ. There we go. No, yes, I remember cabless sprayers. The operators put a kerchief over their mouths. I know now that is not a good thing. No, that's definitely not probably up to today's standards, shall we say? All right. Oh, store to PNG. Oh, there's a PNG file in there. Interesting. Okay. That would be a little stuck there, would it, Legendary? That looks a little stuck in the picture, but okay, cool. Oh, okay, so you got a pump there. And you do have a cab on yours. Just a little stuck. Okay. It does look a little stuck. Import OBJ. If we get bored with this 6,000 sprayer here, by the way, there's not a whole... Oh, it's got both panels in it. Okay. Nope, don't move them around. We'll maybe go look at that POS of Jeffrey's. And I'm not talking about the Batco. Let's see what's here. Cube 83. Let's go to edit mode. Oh my goodness. Oh my, oh my. Delete. Limited dissolve. Oh, it did something. I don't know that it did a whole lot, but it definitely reduced it down a bit. You got to remember, everyone, going from Giant's editor has different controls to Blender here. Oh boy. Right away, I want to do, the move the camera. It's like, oh, wait, no, can't do that. Now, I imagine someone that knows what they're doing could probably get this even better, but I think I'm going to call that good. What happens if you do a limited dissolve twice? Never tried that. No, Jeffrey POS? Yeah, yes. Jeffrey sent a POS over here. I mean, that's the name on the mod. What do you want? I mean, it's what it's called. Legendary Tater, those should be just like on your ones on your 2510 with a spring. Yes. They are. I've noticed that. Yes, I did. Yep, spring at the top there that holds it so it can fold down. Delete. Let's limited dissolve. Nah, it doesn't do anything the second time. Okay. Actually, oh, there's options here. Max angle 5 degrees. How about you crank that up? Never noticed this before. There's options down here for limited dissolve. Oh yeah, that is doing some stuff. That's doing some stuff. 10 degrees. Uh-huh. I want to be careful I don't take too much detail out here, but trying to get the camera here so I can actually kind of see a little bit better. Okay. What happens if we crank this to maybe 15? It still has definition to it. How about 20? Because, in the game, everyone, it's not like you really need that much detail, if you ask me. Oh, yeah, that looks a lot better. What do you folks? I think that looks a lot better. I like that. Looks good to me. Yes, Jeffrey, yes. Yep. I don't think anyone will notice the difference between that and what the original ones were. Looks good to me. Let's export that to Giant's Eye 3D. Once you've gotten more sophisticated, you can do a high poly and a low poly and bake an AO, and then just use the low poly in the model and apply the specular with the AO map in the green. That actually probably be the more proper way of doing it. I definitely have not gotten to that level yet. Definitely have not. But yes, that is true. Doing something like that where we should see if we can find an example of that. Let's see, once we're going to the new folder, 6,000. Oh, you know what? Something I'm going to do actually before I export this. Let's cancel this here a minute. Something I have found here, everyone. I've had some problems every now and then when I import stuff. I go to save it in Giant's Editor, then I go open it back up, and it's like it undid my changes. I've had this a couple of times now, and I've started renaming the components here inside of Blender, and I have not had that problem since. So, okay, now we'll export it. New side panels. Jeffrey, oh yes, let's get to that steaming pie. You want to use that thing? No promises there, Jeffrey. That you got the first part of what you said about it right. Okay, Cube 83. Well, let's import a new Cube 83 here. Get rid of the camera and the lamp. I mentioned this before. Yes, I can uncheck the export option for camera and lamp. It just then imports an empty transform form. It's like, really? So I just leave it in there and delete it out. Someone did mention, well, you could delete it out in Blender. Yeah, you could, but then I still, you got to delete it out. So, okay, one moment while I get this up here. Where's it got to go here again? Oh, boy. I should have collapsed all this stuff before I did this. Cube 83, there it is. All this moving hasn't messed it up too much. Let's collapse all that nonsense. So I can't really collapse much more, can I? That's the way it is. Okay. Where are we here? New Cube 83. And if we get rid of old Cube 83, just curious. Translate X. Let's do 1 on that. Where is it? I'd kind of like to see it. Interesting. Okay. That's not, if I'm missing something here, that's not looking a whole lot different than these. Did Blender not export this? Because in Blender, I don't remember seeing that many lines in Blender. Guess there's maybe a few less on this one. Yeah, that's true. Yes, and this technically should have holes in it too. It shouldn't just be solid like it is, but not convinced something went right with the Blender export here, because yeah, either that Giant's Editor did something when we imported it, because that looked a whole lot better, I thought, in Blender than it is here now. Let's let me try this again here, everyone, because like I said, I thought we had it better than that. Knowing Giant's Editor runs into memory leaks, or better state runs to memory leaks, and I have learned to always either double the name or rename on okay. I'm wondering if that's what I'm running into there, Nolan, because yes, I've had it a couple times, like, wait a minute. Something's not right here. This is not what I changed or what I did, and like I said, so far, if I rename it, which doesn't appear to actually work this time, I'm thinking, let's find out. Maybe it did, everyone. It's just, it is still that detailed, but I thought it looked a lot better in here than that. Okay, let's go back to edit mode. Limited dissolve, and I think we set it to 25. Yeah, I'm seeing like there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, probably 6 lines per per piece there, it looks like. Whereas if we look at it in Giants Editor here, yeah, that definitely looks like more than 6 lines. I don't know if Giants Editor is trying to do us a favor here and add more or what happened, but we're going to try this again. I want new side panels. Nope. Nope. Wrong button. There we go. See what these look like. I mean, if that's what it looks like, everyone, we'll go with it then. But I see a whole lot less detail here than I do in here yet. No, no. Okay, for clarity, Blender and Maya shape polys with quads, so fewer lines. Giants Editor will always triangulate a face. Well, that's what I was wondering there. No, I was wondering if that's what it was doing. I kind of assumed that, so that it is essentially adding more detail to it. So I wonder if I can get away with even... I don't know that we want to try to dissolve that anymore, I don't think. Yeah, I guess that's what it's going to look like, it looks like. Okay. That is indeed what it's going to look like. Okay. Well, we'll go with it. I think that's still better than what was in there. Maybe not a whole lot, but actually, it doesn't look any different, does it? That's what I'm curious about. Doesn't look any different. Ethan is coming. Thank you for the follow. Thank you very much for that. Welcome to the stream. Hello, True Farmer. Welcome to the stream as well. No one to test to make sure. Open directly in Jeets. Okay, okay. Yeah, see, this doesn't look any different here, everyone. Something doesn't seem like it's right. Please wait while it opens up. It's going to open up on the other screen here. Okay. Let's see what's here. That is still way, way more. Like I said, when we were seeing like 6 lines in Giants Edit or in Blender. I don't know. It's something I don't think is right here yet. Yeah, like I said, I don't think I want to try to dissolve this anymore. I don't think so. Export. Let me try it one more time. Operator presets, sure. No, there it is. Oh, wait, ooh. Got a smaller file size this time. Okay. See what this one looks like in the editor here. It's got a smaller file size. Hey, that looks better. Okay, Blender, what were you doing to me? That looks better. Blender's fault. Something in Blender I didn't do right. I don't know what. Don't know what I did wrong in Blender here, everyone, but it wasn't exporting it properly, was it? Must have been the shirt. Ah, okay. Okay, I think we're cooking with gas here now, so to speak, everyone. I think we might have something here. Let's try importing this one. Yeah, see, you can see that one. That looks different. Okay. Don't know what I was, like I said, don't know what I was doing wrong the first time there, but Get rid of that one. There we go. Okay, okay. Now we'll save that. We'll pop that open in here. We'll change that to XML. Not really necessary to do that, everyone, but it does. You can read it better if you ask me. So it makes more sense. And then we're going to look for new side panels. We're just going to type that in, new side panel. And then right below it is number 83. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to borrow the material ID from that one, which is 78. And while I'm in here, I might as well, let's see, cache shadow, receive shadow. Is that, that is not on that one, is it? Okay. That one also has a scale on it. That's interesting. I wonder why that is. I could check those boxes in Giants Editor too, but seeing as how we're in here, might as well just copy paste it over. Okay, save. Reload the i3D. Yep. New panels. Old panels. Goodbye, old panels. Okay, and we'll save that. Okay, we were at 57. Yeah, we haven't dropped the file size down a whole lot, but basically I wanted to really redo this mod. You'd probably have to go through and do a bunch of that to a bunch of pieces. Not sure how much of that we really want to do, but we'll get rid of those files. Let's see if anything else needs help here. So that piece don't look too bad. Tire, whoa, tires. Yeah, tires need some help. Tires need some serious help. So do the rims. Okay. Yeah. We're back to the old problem here where Giants doesn't really have... Well, actually, you know what? This doesn't really look like a ribbed tire, does it? No, Giants might have a tire for this. We might be able to find something. Too bad I don't know what size tire this is. Because I recently discovered here, everyone, there is... let's see, once I go to the desktop... Farming 719 data folder. Let's see, shared folder, wheels, Trelleborgs. There are some nice T510 tires in here. It's still probably a little bit European. It needs an agro tire. Agro tire. Actually, you know what? Where's your picture there? It's all covered in mud. I can't see what kind of tire you have on there. Okay. Yeah, I can't see what kind of tire you have. Well, let's John Deere 8000. Better put sprayer behind it, I guess. I was going to get John Deere 8000 choppers. Oh, wait, not 8,000, 6,000. Just like the back tire. All the tires I'm seeing here looks like they are... It has the proper tire for what we got here. You're saying you want an agricultural lug on the front. Make that an option, I suppose. No one also need to say here that you can have a mesh that works in the mod and the game, but when you take the mesh to an editor, reduce, the mesh is malformed, you'll get an error when you try to dissolve or reduce. Repeat here my comment above. Yes. Okay, yep. In your comment, but yeah. Optimizing game modding can consume years of your lifetime to get up and walk away. That's true. That's what I say. I'm probably, the tires, I think we could probably do something with. That might help immensely because those are some pretty good tires there. Guessing the rears probably aren't much better. And yeah, the rears aren't much better. The rears we can probably, I'm sure there's got to be something in the game we can put on the rears. Same thing. The rims actually don't look too bad. I don't know why modders don't make more use of in-game tires. And again, I know Giants doesn't have a whole lot for like American style tires, but it's not gonna let me click on anything up on the cab here, is it? Really? Oh, there it goes. Yeah, spray brooms, yep. Definitely what's standing out are the tires to me, though. That and these still stand out, yeah, but oh well. Transformer 1 tire's a different shade than the others when it's dirty. It is. Okay. Don't see any dirt on that one. Are they actually properly set up for tires here? They are set up for a color mask. Ooh, oops. Don't don't change that. That's bad. Back to color mask. Oops. Okay. Oops. Let's undo that. Is it not going to undo that? No, it's not going to undo that, is it? Okay. Oh, it's going to crash. Cool. Anyway, we're looking at tires here. This is what Giants has for some tires that would probably fit. Just be a matter of figuring out which one. Notice the amount of detail on this tire as opposed to the one that was in that mod. I think this is a 215/65/15. Now, yeah, that's a Maconsolized tire. I'm not sure what went wrong there. Well, I know I changed it to something it shouldn't have been accidentally, but sometimes I don't know why, but the undo does not work. No, let's not reload it. Just close that. Well, that opens back up. This might be about the size tire I just put on the wheel ridge. I wonder if we can use the tire I put on the wheel rich cultivator to fit on there. Where is that tire located? It is located there, huh? Okay. This whole piece, there it is. Yep, that's probably what the whole thing rotates on then, is that right there. So we could probably, assuming that transforms in the right spot, looks like it is right in the center there, we could possibly pick this transform location there to dynamically load a tire there. Let's try that, shall we? So wheel configuration, which one is which here? One of these is probably a front tire. This is 837. That one right there. Jeffrey, can I use that tire for your van? Possibly could, probably, yeah. Might look a little odd, but you could. Niles, a 3-rib tire would likely be the right tire designed for that application, or maybe a 4-rib design. Legendary, this mod has so, well, that you could say that about a lot of the mods are legendary. This mod has so much potential, and then, yeah. No, sure, Jeffrey, if you have a modded fan. Oh, boy. Let me pop open the wheel rich here. Nope, I was in that folder. Let's, we'll borrow the code from the wheel rich here. Oh, there's all kinds of tires on this wheel rich here, so we want that tire right there. Oh, we'll probably actually want a hub to go with it too, maybe. And then we're just going to take the reference. Oh, there's 2 reference nodes. Okay. Okay. We'll grab both of them then. Let's see. That has a radius of 35. This has a radius of 32. That's pretty close, isn't it? Is that close enough? I'm hoping that's close enough. Maybe the mod will have a slight down point to it now instead. Oops. And you know what? For now, everyone, I will just comment this out just in case it doesn't work. And is left, sure. What I probably actually need is a hub on either side. Right. Unless there's unless there's actually an axle in this thing. I don't think there was there? And one more thing, might as well grab from the wheel here while we're here is the hub as well. Wonder if I can do 2 hubs. Do one that is left and one that is right. Wonder if that would work. Grab this whole hub code here. The one for single tire best is say false on left. On left. Okay. And let's see. So this needs to go right above the wheels. Ah, right there. And then we'll grab the link node. Thinking one of these. We got 37 zeros. One of these actually going to disappear on us. No, that is 0. Okay. 37. Yeah, we don't think we want that to be 837 there. I don't think. I don't think so. Because that is going to put the tire here as opposed to down here. Okay. Jeffrey, yes, a real imaginary van. Okay. Okay, no, on the turning node, the drive node is the wheel rotation. Can I have them both the same, or do I need them? Do I need to have the drive node? Okay, True Farmer, have a good one. Jeffrey, it's plain on the side, too. Oh, boy. That should actually take care of that tire. Jeffrey, you scared True Farmer away. Yeah. Well, let's find out what it's actually using. I'm just assuming here for steering, I would think it'd be using this one here, 837, because that is up there. That would be the steer. I'm assuming. I think that's the way the mod author has it set up, but Phil, what are you trying to unbrake today? Well, actually, nothing too majorly broken, other than the i3D that was kind of messed up. Motor configurations, right. Nolan, the answer is in your comment above. What does the tire turn around when you steer? So it should be 837 for the... 837 is up there. Transform for the tire is there. That tire is down here. Really? On live stream? Really? Huh, I did not know that. Oh, okay. Interesting. Oh, I'm sure, right. Yeah, I'm sure for the live stream here, if you're not like watching full screen or on a bigger screen, you're not going to be able to see the code, and that's going to be a little bit harder to see. Huh, I did not know that. Yes, good point there. Yes, hearing voices in my head. Or legendary tater, I'm sorry. No, yes, represents the steering rotation. Drive node is the wheel axis rotation. So 837 is where it rotates when you turn the wheel for steering. Okay. So that should be set up right then.
Connected.
Guess best way to find out is try it, right?
Channel switched.
And then see what we can find for some rear tires to replace it with as well. I'm just going to hide that one for now. That should be fine, I think. What could possibly go wrong hiding that? Let's see what's here. John Deere 6000. We got sounds in here. Sprayer lights. I wonder if it's actually using any of those lights. New folder. That's where all that stuff is. That's interesting. Correct me if I'm wrong here, Nolan. This is just all like dirt and wear, right? So in theory, I'm just looking at this. I'm thinking if I replaced all these textures with just a generic dirt and wear. Oh, they don't? Oh, okay. Good to know they're legendary. I might be able to fix that then. Yeah, it's not going to let me look at the channels here. That is something I might have to look at getting here yet. It's something, everyone, I can actually, look at these images a little bit better with. So that's the blue channel, I think. That, I'm assuming, is the green channel. Oh. Oh. Okay. Interesting. So he's got some other stuff in here. Nolan, better to use an app that you can directly work on the RGBA channels as layers. Those are AO maps. I'm just looking at these here, Nolan. It looks like all they're doing is dirt and wear with these. There's clear glass diffuse in there. Okay, there's a default normal in there. Okay. There's also another sprayer in here. We can drop the file size of this mod by 118 megabytes right there by getting rid of that one. No, the white ones are AO. Yeah, but I don't. Is he actually using them though? Let's go look here. I wonder if he's actually even using them. Oh, there's the test AO. Yeah, okay, it is being used. Interesting. Nolan, yep, that is why they all have a green tint. So I guess my question there, Nolan, is can I not, in theory, replace all of those green ones with just like a generic dirt and wear texture? That would get rid of a lot of textures right there. And this new folder is 86 megabytes. One file in there could replace all of those. Yeah. Oh, look at the time. Look at the time.
Real time.
Nolan, probably not, since that is AO as a diffuse. AO should be in the green channel. Modding confuses you. It does. Now let's just see if the tire works. Oh boy, this takes a moment to zip up. You can tell it's yeah, it's big mod. Copy that. Put this in my testing mod folder. And see what we got. Ledger, yes, he used an in-game sprayer to convert this one from 17. No, it's best to use a custom specular since you can paint dirt and wear per part and use an AO map for better definition. The end product looks much better. Well, yeah, that's true there, Nolan. But in this case, it looks like he just has a random dirt and wear all over it. It's not like he's really, from what I'm seeing anyway, it looks like he's really customized the dirt and the wear that much. It's just, blobs here and there. So my thought was, well, if he's just got blobs of wear and dirt here and there, well, why not just use the same generic dirt and wear across the entire mod then? Okay, crop protection, self-propelled sprayers. Oh, there's no tire. Huh. That's interesting. Oh, wait. There is too a tire. You folks see the tire? Oh, my goodness. That is interesting. Anyone see the...
I think you might have some scaling issues.
I don't know. That looks like about the right size to me. What do you folks think? That's about the right size.
I think it might work
Oh, yeah. It's just... I don't see nothing wrong here.
on a Tonka toy.
Oh, I must have messed up the camera while I was in here, too. Oops. Oh, don't steer no more. It just goes straight. Cool. Climbs, oh, and it doesn't climb the hill. Oh, well. Fail. That is interesting. Wasn't expecting that one, everyone. That's new. It's in the right spot, though. It doesn't steer, though. It does not steer. Wow, that might be fairly simple to fix that, believe it or not. Anyway, let's, while we're here... That tire's got some weird looking stuff going on with it. What is up with that? Those don't look too bad, I guess. Yeah, what's up with them tires? Something's not right there. Ledger, how can it steer this? Yeah, well, yeah, but I'm also looking, it's not turning at all, so something else is wrong there. Yeah, even though the tire's small, it should still, turn. Anyway. Wonder where we would find a tire that would be small enough for that.
At least the steering wheel should turn.
Right. 320/85 R28 tire, maybe? Is that about the right size? This is how I do tires, Evan. I don't know, maybe there's a better way, but I just kind of look at the in-game equipment, and it's like, okay, well, let's see if this tire fits. This looks like it's going to be too big, but it might still work. I mean, it's not going to hurt if it has a little bit bigger tires, is it? Yeah, it's a little bit bigger. A little bit bigger. L... Yeah, it's definitely a little bit bigger, isn't it? It's about the right width. El Paco, thank you for the follow. Thank you very much for that. Okay, so tire on the Fiat I think is a contender. Nope, steering wheel doesn't turn in the cab either. Oh, well, if the steering wheel is a separate component, I can possibly fix that. No, you're right, it doesn't. It doesn't. Let's see what's here. Anything with a smaller tire? Oh no, 340. What size was on this again? This was a 320. Okay, so we probably need like, I don't know, 300. Don't think we're going to find a smaller tire if we go up to medium tractors. So they should all be getting bigger, I would think. Where would we find what would have a smaller tire on it? Jeffrey, get some care tires. Oh my goodness. Yeah, we've got to have ones that are small enough. How about some back tires on some combines? What kind of size tires we got on the back here now? Can't zoom in far enough to see. 4. That looks like 420. Wait, that's actually bigger? Really? Yay. 420, huh? I would have thought that'd been a smaller tire, but maybe not. Let's just, I gotta buy this just to see what's here.
You know what tire you're gonna take off? You could take off the rib tire off of the 8820.
The 8820. Yeah, indeed, that tire is bigger, isn't it? Okay. Not by much, though. Oh, well, actually. Yeah, it is bigger. I don't know if you're serious about that tire. Giants follows manufacturer numbers, I believe, so use manufacturer charts. They're up on every website. That is true. Unfortunately, this tire doesn't say what size it is, so I'd have to go look online, see if I could find the tire size for it. Then I could potentially get it. Jeffrey, you're serious. Look for care tires. Care tires. Yeah, those are some really narrow tires. They're not going to be any... Oh, well. We need more smaller diameter here. I'm not too worried about the width. Legend 9.5 by 14 for the front. Ooh, well, we're pretty close there then, Legendary, because the one I put on there had a 15-inch rim. I don't remember... Well, it was a 2... Yeah, see, here the numbers are going to vary slightly. It was a 215... Was it 215/60? We can go back and look again. I think it was 215/60. A little narrow. I think the regular Fiat tires actually look better, at least compared to what's on there now. what else do we have that would have about the right size tires? I can go look through the tires here as well. The reason I like doing it this way, though, because then I can go to this this in-game piece of equipment, and hey, there's all the numbers for the tire too.
Try the forklift tires.
Forklift tires. Okay. Yeah, no, it's gonna be different. 320/80s though. They are actually 320s though.
In the miscellaneous file.
That's what I was looking at. Yep, the Manitou.
Oh, okay.
Yep, a little bit different style tire too.
Yeah.
Nolan, Michelin and Goodyear had good cross-matching, but Giants has only created what they need. Well, yeah, it makes sense. They're not. Why are they going to create stuff they don't need? Right. And these tires, they're just going to be way too big, I'm pretty sure. 270/95 R44. Yeah, that's on a 44-inch rim there. TM 600s. Nolan, no. They should create all available for us modders. Oh, I agree there, Nolan. I agree. They should create some nice tri and quad rib tires in the game. That'd be perfect. Oh, let's see. What's there? Anything else? We can maybe look at some tools here. That is actually where I found. I forget what it was that had the tires I replaced on the wheel ridge. Was it this? Yeah, I think it was this one here, everyone. This is where I found the tires for the wheel ridge. I think it was this Kuhn Tedder. I was like, whoa, those look like about the same size as the wheel ridge has. So the wheel ridge now has those tires on it. I fixed the tire problem, if you will, on that mod. Took care of that. It's even like some of these planters. Planters have some of these tires on them, but they're going to be too small probably. Hey, Ledger, you wanted a tire like this on the front. There's our option. We can grab one of these tires. Okay, let's see. What's there? Anything else interesting? Not seeing anything there. Loading wagons. See, most of these are not going to have egg tires on them. Most of them. What's on this planter here? What size tire we got here now? No, 520. That's way too big. Way too big. How about this one? Also way too big. Well, I'm thinking, everyone, this Fiat here, it's going to be a little bit bigger, but that might be our best option, I'm thinking. That's what I'm thinking, anyway. I don't know that it rightly matter if the tire's a little bit bigger. No, on tire shopping now, right? Tire shopping. I just, go in here and let's see what there is for tires,
What size do you need?
Well, here's the problem. I don't know. Because, yeah, I don't see anywhere that it lists what size tires on this. And I don't know. I don't even know how you'd look online to figure out what size tire it is either. So, but yeah, we could probably, like I said, this might work here. This tire it'd be just a little bit bigger, not much. Oh, that one was on already. Let's check the second manure spreader tires. Second manure spreader. They look big. Yeah, they're definitely big. Yep. Don't think any of the slurry spreaders have egg tires.
60 that has tires on it.
Oh, how about sprayers? And they're all going to be way big. 270/95 R44. Yeah, they're going to be way big. Yeah, that's right there, Nolan. Yes, some bicycle tires. They're about that size. About that size. Oh. And actually, you know what we could do here, everyone? If it is a little too big, We could do what the front tire has going on for it. We could. I'm just assuming here with this front tire, when the transform is probably shrunk, so we can freeze the transform. We could possibly, shrink the transform on the back here just a little bit, so it shrinks that tire down just a wee bit. We could do that. I'm thinking the Fiat has the tires we're gonna try. That's what I'm thinking. So let's go with Fiat tires.
Doing the by gosh and by golly method.
Right. Okay, where do we find the Fiat? Fiat. Okay, and we got tires. Front, no, we want rear tires. So like I said, this is how I go wheel shopping. This is how I've done most of the wheels so far that I've replaced. I just look through whatever's in game. I find something that's as close as I can find. Wait, no, we wanted the front ones. That's right, not the rear ones. We want the front ones. 320. We can check and see if there's a smaller one here too. There very well might be. Yeah, you can resize it there, Ledger. You got to be a little bit careful with that, but we can potentially resize it. Yeah, yes, as Nolan said there, we got to watch the radius then. So, yep. They look like that silly truck, right? Okay, so we're going to take these tires. Did I copy that? Okay. And then we're just going to paste that in here. And I will just comment out that bit again. Oh, wait a minute. This is... Oh, I moved it. Should have been in like that. Okay. Okay, so node right there. And we'll get rid of the drive node in this case. That should be fine. Famous last words, he says. And there we go, everyone. Tire replacement might be as easy as that. Might. Config rim 4. Okay. Sure. I'm not sure which one was left right, but yeah, we'll figure that out. No, I'm not picking on that truck because it's a Chevy, but because a problem with the wheels and it looks silly. Digging a deeper hole, I think, so going to stop trying now. Okay. Let's close that. That might take care of the tires there. Oh, there it is. John Deere 6000. And let's check the transforms here. Something probably has a scale on it. Everyone, that's what's causing our front tire to be about yay big. And the reason the front, everyone, if you notice, the front tire was really small, but it was still sitting on the ground right. It's probably because the wheel still has the proper radiuses for it. So that's why it's still up yet. Let's see what's here. No, that's scale 1-1. That's weird. Scale 1-1 as well. Huh. Okay, well, this might not be as simple as I thought. I figured we could just hop in here. The scale would be... Well, there's got to be a scale in here somewhere, because that's got to be what's... Okay, those are scaling. It should be pulling the scale from an item above it, though, because these are not above it. Oh. Ew. Hmm. Hmm. The whole sprayer has a scale of 0.18, huh? Wow. I'm just assuming that's where it's getting its tire scale from. That's interesting. I wouldn't have expected that. I just figured maybe everyone that this transform here had the scale on it. I wonder if I can freeze the transform on this without causing problems. Nolan, you always look above that. Needs to be cleaned up. Right, so Nolan, what are the chances I can freeze the transform on this without blowing the whole thing up? Oh boy, I wasn't expecting that one. Like I said, I thought this one here was probably the one, or this. I figured one of these had the scale on it, but I had that. Was it the Wilrich? It might have been the Wilrich. I did the tires on it and had the same problem. Everyone, I forget what it. One of the mods I did it. Had the same problem, like, what in the world? And, oh, yeah, okay, yeah, Transform had the scale on it. Okay. Nolan, freeze Transform freezes all children below it, so this is a problem. Yeah, I was afraid you were going to say that, Nolan. I was afraid you were going to say that. Everything else has 1-to-1. Looks like, hey, everything else is 1. Why in the world is why is that scaled? That is annoying. He says. Nothing blew up. How did it? Okay, now the scales on that are all right. Yeah, we might have got away with this. What are the chances we got away with doing that? That might have actually worked. Oh, yeah, hey, there's the steering wheel. Okay, yeah, Ledger Tater, I think you were saying the steering wheel doesn't turn. The steering wheel's separate, so in theory, if we throw some code in the XML, we can make that steering wheel turn. Jeffrey, is that POS on the server? Well, you better define which POS they're known, because Jeffrey has another POS, and like I said, that one specifically is called a POS. It says right in the name. Yeah, I don't think I got away with that, because I'm looking at the transform locations here, everyone. That wasn't down there before, I don't think, so let me not save that. It looks like it blew all the locations out of proportion a little bit from what I'm seeing. Yeah, see, these don't have 1-to-1 on them, which is interesting. 0.045. Wow. Yeah, I noticed that there, Ledger. I noticed that. There's no wear on the hood or fuel. Yeah, I noticed. I don't know why that is. Just the way the mod author did it, I guess. Okay, yeah, the transform location's back up here again. Okay. Let's try freezing again one more time, see what happens. Yeah, see, I don't like that. Something, some of it's not going right. Nope. Yeah, okay, everyone. So we can't just freeze the transform here because notice what's happening. It's moving bits and pieces around, isn't it? So that is not gonna work. I don't know what these pieces are down here, but real lights. Oh, the lights are getting moved. Okay. Well, the lights didn't work anyway, right? Okay, I was gonna ask that, Nolan. Yep. Okay, so if I can't fix the parent, I can create a new parent, obviously with the right scale, and then move everything. And oh my goodness, there is a lot of stuff to move here. Um, yeah, a lot of stuff to move. So no, you can't just like go into the i3D here and yeah, no, we don't actually want to save that. I can't just change it here. What does that break? That was something I did notice when we imported our panels. It did have a scale on it, and that probably explains why. Because that main one here had a scale. Ledger, on ours, the paint wore off by the fuel cap, and it always got dirty there because of the fuel spillage. Yep. Seen that on a lot of tractors. You can tell right where the fuel is. You got that streak down the side. Yep. No, no, just duplicate current parent, then delete the children, then freeze the transform, then copy and paste children. Okay, no, just duplicate current parent. Oh, let's see. How do we duplicate this again? Copy. Oh, yeah, there it is. Duplicate. I thought there was. Okay, so Nolan says to... Let me just close this out here, make sure I didn't make any changes. Start fresh here again. So Nolan says duplicate it. Duplicate the parent, current parent, and delete the children. Then freeze the transform, then copy, paste the children. Okay, so go into here, delete all these under here. I don't think you can multiple select, can I? Yeah. Oh, I can. Oh, cool. I did not know that. Control D, no, the parent with the scale, right? Yeah, duplicate this one, right? And then delete all of these. Then freeze the transform. And yeah, I guess just the scale, I guess, should be good, right? And then I can go back to this one and move them back or cut them back. Copy and paste to be safe. Okay. Or oh, copy paste. Okay, copy. So okay. Edit, copy, and then main. Edit, paste. Oh, big sprayer. Nope. Very big sprayer. Okay, delete those out. Nope, we don't want that. Now, if I move these, will it work? I know this is a problem. Oh, well, we could just have a really big sprayer. If I move it, will it work? It might have. See if I didn't see anything like go flying apart. And at least that transform looks like it's in the right spot yet. Let's see if the transforms for like this stuff here. Oh, good. That's looking right. That is looking right, I think. That might have done it. Ledger Tater, what are the yellow arrows? The yellow arrows, those there, they are lights. Or actually, it's the light I added earlier on the stream here. Yeah, Phil, you could spray the whole map at once with that. You definitely could. Nolan, try importing and place the tire. Well, the tire was in the right spot already, I think, wasn't it? Well, I actually didn't notice. There actually is a hub on this too, isn't there? Oh, so I don't actually maybe necessarily have to add the hub. I was thinking I would need a hub on there, but I might not. Oh, let's see. Try importing it. The only problem with the tires, it's going to import a whole bunch of extra crap with it because there's more than one tire in there. Nolan, this way you can see if it's affected or not. Make sure there's not like a train. No, that's got scale 1. That's got a scale 1. I think we should be good, right? Because there's no... Oh, wait a minute. Yeah. 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 Yeah, okay, yeah, good point there, Nolan. Good point. I see what happened now. We moved them under here, and then it scaled everything under here now, didn't it? Oh, boy, oh, boy. Yeah, boy, oh, boy. Boy. That might get interesting. So we got this scaled now. Well, I don't think it'll matter for most of the stuff if it stays scaled. We just can't have anything where we're dynamically loading tires to be scaled, because that'll be bad. So now the question is, can I scale this and get away with it? What this piece is, anyway. Okay. Let me delete this out here too. No, okay, just trying to freeze the transform now if they all have the same scale. Yeah, they don't, unfortunately, all have the same scale, because like the lights here are 0.773. It looks like almost everything else, though, is 1.8. Almost everything. Like I said, keywords mean almost. Yeah, I'm not too worried. The tires are 1. Okay, cool. That's good. That is 0.045. Let's see what's here. Well, let me freeze that. It did. Okay. Okay, it looks like that worked as well. Cool. Oh, they moved that transform location. I was afraid of that. But if that's all it moved, I can just move this back up. Not a big deal. Actually, was it? I move it back to 0, 0. Yeah, it's pretty close. Actually, you know what? Let me unhide these tires. Okay. Oh, there's the tires. Okay, that's not going to work, everyone. I was thinking I could unhide these tires and I'll line this back up. Nope, nope, nope. Let's just put this back in the right spot. That looks about right. Let's get rid of these tires. We're not using them anyway. Goodbye. Let's hide this here. No long answer. You have to freeze from bottom, child up. Each parent have fun. Yeah, I kind of knew that much there, Nolan. Yes, you do have to freeze from the bottom. Well, the furthest bottom one away and work your way up. You know, that way up. Or actually, I guess seeing as how it's on the camera, it'd be that way up. We might have to play with this transform location a little bit, everyone, but that looks like that's about where it needs to be again. And then we'll just unhide that again. That's got it's transform. That shouldn't matter, I don't think. He says. John Deere 8400, are you going to go back eat? Okay, well, yeah, we're going to wrap up the stream here real quick. I wasn't actually planning on streaming this long anyway, so let's go check these rear tires here a minute. Where are these located? Oh, boy. They're located there, huh? Circle.001, circle.002. Huh. Well, what is that piece? Oh. Yeah, I don't need that.
Uh-oh.
And all we're going to do is we're just going to create a transform group. We're going to cut that. We're going to cut that up into there. And then we're going to call this. This will be... Oh, let's see. This is the left tire. Left rear tire. Solves that problem. Oh, come on now. What's up with the scale on it? Really? Seriously? Oh, my goodness. Okay, goodbye, tire. No one. Really simple solution. Keep the spray bar, delete all the rest, and it will float around and spray. Ooh. I like your thinking. So what we're doing here, everyone, is I'm creating a transform group to replace these tires with. And this will locate the loaded tire on this location here. So right rear tire. And then we just delete that out. Boom. Tire's gone. And we should be able to freeze the transform on this one, no problem, since there's nothing under it. Let me zoom out, make sure nothing happens. Actually, let me save here. There we go. Okay, save. Now we'll freeze. Apply. Yep, nothing broke that I noticed. And freeze. Good. Nothing else broke that I noticed. Nolan, yes, I know some will be disappointed, but Jeffrey will probably love it there, Nolan. Jeffrey would love it. Floating sprayer like that? Oh, yeah, I can see him liking that. Okay. Those nodes should still stay the same then. I don't think we, 821 and 822, let's just, for the fun of it here, check it real quick. 21 and 22, right. And 22 is indeed the right one. Cool. Okay, let's just check it here. See how much we broke. Right, I should just delete that other sprayer and they're out so it doesn't take so long to compress this. Oh my goodness. Really, seriously, it's got to take this long? There we go, we're done. What? No, I don't need an RER file. Wrong button. Try that again, zip. Jeffrey, who will be disappointed? I'm trying to figure out this newfangled GS. Oh, guidance steering? Oh, it is. It's pretty good there, Jeffrey. Once you figure it out, I like the new version. I do like it. Oh, I got the game open yet. Oops. Continue. Load game. Phil just moving it to the Jetsons era is all.
I think he's talking about the floating sprayer.
All right, right. By the way, Jeffrey, for the new, I'm assuming you mean guidance steering. Was it Alt-C to activate it, and then you can do Control-S to open up the menu, and it's pretty much the same after that. It's just got some additional options.
The biggest thing is that it's basically by default it's off now. You have to go back in and turn it on.
Which, it doesn't stay on, does it? Or...
No. But you got to go back in and activate it. You got to go back in and show lines. And once you're in a session, it'll stay that way.
Error. Invalid index for MAT 822. Uh-oh. We broke something, everyone. That's interesting. Invalid index. 820. And I happen to know 822, everyone, is one of the tires we loaded. I'm curious, though, it doesn't have a problem with 821. Because we did both 821 and 822. Okay, well, this might take a little more work than we thought. It might not be that simple. Must have messed something up somewhere. I have to go back and double check that. Probably missed something silly stupid. It's usually what it is. What happens if you buy it? Your selection is being purchased. I doubt it is. This probably is an XML problem, I'm thinking. No, that can happen when you shift the... it shouldn't have shifted up one, though, did it? I'll have to double check, but I don't think it did. I thought I looked at that. That's, again, we need to wrap the stream up here, but real quick, let's check this. Thought I looked at that right. Maybe I didn't. Oh, yeah, okay. No, I see the problem. Silly, stupid problem. 0822. Yeah, there's your problem, everyone. There's your problem. I told you it was probably something silly, stupid. At least I'm thinking that's it. Let's find out.
It always is with XML.
Yeah, let's see if that fixes the problem. Okay, one more quick try here. This is the last try. If it doesn't work, then it's not going to work, and we're going to wrap the stream up.
This is the third last try.
Well, I don't think I said this was going to be that, yeah, but yeah, this is going to be the last try. Okay, firing it back up. Nolan, silly, stupid, and part of modding with GE. Okay, back in the game. Load it up. Fire in the hole. Hazmat suits ready to go. Okay, Phil, have a good one. Jay Dunn. You laugh. You laugh. Wait till you do some modding yourself, and you can laugh.
After watching you, I'm almost tempted.
I'll have to say, it's Well, once you start doing it, it is, I mean, there's a lot to learn, but it is fun. Okay, we're self-propelled self-propelled sprayers. Oh, hey, look at that. Look at that. We got wheels. We don't have any colors on the wheels. I can fix that. That's easy enough to fix.
Luck the way it jumps into the game.
I know, right? Jadon, you are a modder. Hey, cool. Cool. Okay, keep laughing then. Wrong type of rims. That's easily fixed. We just got to select a different rim. Remember in the configuration, everyone, it said which rim. I just got to figure out which rim we want. Probably just a regular rim, I think. Front doesn't look too bad. We need to get rid of the hub. Like I said, everyone, it's got... Yeah, it's going to be interesting. Maybe we should leave the hub. Interesting. It's not quite in the right spot there either, but... Actually, don't look too bad. Oh, it doesn't steer yet. Okay, we need to figure that as well. Yeah, okay. That's just, probably need to select a different node there. That's as easy as that, probably.
If you're getting the urge to take up modding double R, you need to lay down on the couch till the urge goes away.
One, I don't have a couch. Two, I couldn't lay down on it if I wanted to.
Okay, well, everyone, we got tires on it. That's, I think that's a major plus. That should definitely, we didn't check. Did it cut down on the file size at all for that? Let's get rid of this Fiat. We don't need no stinking Fiat anymore. The Fiat served its purpose. We got its tires. Oh, yeah, wow, everyone, look at that file size. Look at that file size. Getting rid of them tires, as I suspected, everyone, really, really cut down on that file size. So we went from 57 down to 34. Just getting rid of 3 tires. 3 tires. 3 lousy tires. So, kind of figured as much. So that's cool. Again, everyone, I'm probably not going to bother doing anything else like getting rid or trying to compress down some of those hoses and stuff. We'll just, as I think Nolan pointed out earlier, we could spend years doing that. So, actually, probably wouldn't take that long, but still, it would definitely take time. So, out of curiosity, we got any other error messages? Oh, yeah. Look away. Look away. Turn that off. Nothing to see there. Nothing to see there. That's probably because of the steering. Something isn't right with the steering. That's probably where that Lua call stacked error is coming from. Does it happen to say? Scroll up here real quick. Oh, that's cool. It's cool. Did they give you bed pans where you're at now, Nolan? You didn't forget to ask for them, did you? Hey, Kip, what Frankenstein machine is this? The John Deere 6000 sprayer. Who knows how long this is looping, so it might take a moment to get to the top. Ow. Not error messages. Unfortunately, from what I'm seeing, they're quite useless. I don't see anything in here that's of use. Wheel Lua. Okay, so yeah, it's probably something with wheels. Like I said, well, my suspicion is because the steering isn't working, that's probably where. No, this is a modding stream, so yes, I have a few of okay. Oh boy. Okay, I give up. We're not scrolling through that. Who knows how long it is? It could be going on forever, so all good. Like I said, everyone, we're gonna wrap this stream up. I think we made some progress. Thanks to Nolan there. He's the one that fixed the i3D here, so that's much better. Again, I was hoping to show you folks what was wrong with it, but for some reason I can't open it, so oh well, it is what it is. And then we got some dynamically loaded tires, everyone, that really cuts down on the file size. We got some other stuff in here I think we can get rid of too, because like there's another, again, kind of, I'm assuming this is an upside down i3D file. Actually, there's no shapes file to go with it. That is interesting. But yeah. A little more work, everyone. Probably not going to do a whole lot to it. Like I said, we'll just try to clean it up what we can and call it good. So, again, everyone, thanks for watching. Comments or questions, watch this video later on YouTube. Be sure to leave them down below. And until next time.